In the hearts of Karbi Anglong amidst the holy Deopani temples lies a road marked by neglect and indifference. Despite promises of development, National Highway 39 Soroputar Road remains a testament to governmental apathy. Potholes dots its surface, growing deeper with each passing rain, a constant danger to those who traverse it. Local residents burdened by frustration have turned to their elected representative, MAC Sarban Telenga, pleading for action. Yet their cries falls on deaf ears, echoing in the corridors of power without response. What adds salt to the wounds is the irony that many government officials, the very architects of change, traverse this neglected path daily, oblivious to its plight. They understand the issue but chose to ignore it, citing others' priorities. However, beneath the surface lies a glimmer of hope, a reminder that even the smallest acts to repair can alleviate the burdens of many. The solution, through seemingly insufficiency, holds the keys to preventing tragic accidents and restoring faith in governance. As Sidharn Ghimre reports echoes through the corridors of Deopani, it serves as a beacon of awareness, urging the governments to heed the calls of its people and rectify the road's dire condition before it's too late.